If we want this 90 turned this way, right? Hold it for me. We want this 90 turned like that.
You want to turn it like this?
Right.
So then
Mark this in the middle, right? Mark that right in the middle. Put a line in the middle. To let you know that's, matter of fact, no, we want to bend this out this way, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so mark this in the middle.
Yeah, okay.
To let us know that's where we want to bend our pipe. We want to bend our pipe coming out. Yeah. Now that you have that marked there, you know you want to bend that up. That's good. You're not going to hit that. Now you want to bend that up. So I would mark it an inch back and then 4 inches for your baby offset. Now make those marks all the way around. Your mark right here, and you want to bend it going out, turn it over. Yep. Turn it over, just like that, and then you bend it.
Yeah, I got no choice. Can I get that level?
I was a nurse's aide for 5 years.
level?
8 years.
Nurse's aid.
Yes, sir. That's what I did.
Yeah, don't hand me that.
I don't want the nurses. They do the paper, so they let you get to work. All you want to do is pull on the bench.
Come on, you can leave it right there for now.
You don't want to run?
Yeah, yeah, I better put it in the room. Come on, bro, you got ways to go. What you think?
Right in the middle.
All right, let's see if it works. Let's see. Come on, Bruce. Get to the side, bro. Put it. Lay it flat against there. So how much more? Boy, you need a lot more.
I told you I said 3 inches. You like, oh, you
Don't put it on me. What you saying to me for?
I knew this wasn't going to do that.
All right, let's go. Get some more in
You're
there.
supposed to fix it.
Just bend both of them. No, turn around. Yeah, there you go.
That's what?
Turn that around. I'm gonna bend it up.
Make sure you got your mouth.
Yeah, for real.
You love
Some muscle in the sign toast.
Oh, you eat muscle.
it. Okay. There you go.
Booyah!
Hey, what you
Let
say?
me put a connector on
Did
it.
you say mine?
Got your level?
Is that level like this? It looks like it's level. Let me see though. Let me see what you got here, brother. Hey man,
First try.
not bad. First try, huh? Not bad. They let that go. They go for it.
Oh, for your job?
Not even for my job, but my mother.
Yeah, the same problem.
That's about it.
Oh, what you saying about me?
This ain't nothing, bro.
He's a regular legend right here, man.
Boys.
Turn it straight. Right there.
Look at that strap.
Should be able to make that work.
You only got that.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I need to definitely practice offset a little more.
Yeah. All you guys will. See, his is further out because he's in the middle. Yours is a regular box offset. And you're going to be bending so many of these, you're going to get used to it.
Got it.